click each of it and just write it out. I just quickly want to bold that. So I'm going to go open up my values and make it bold. So yes, the next chart now, that's our focus. The same thing to your general, your title, sales by product. Simply go to my y-axis, switch off the title, switch off the title, then go to my x-axis and switch off the title. Going to go to my x-axis and also switch off the values. Then switch on your data labels. Then the same way we made these labels here bold, under our data label we are still going to make it what? Find values and make it bold. Then in the y-axis, bold it too. Just bold your the values of your y-axis. Then we are done with that chart. You go to this chart now. Sum of revenue by state. You go to your general and your title, edit it to be revenue by state. Revenue by state. Remove your x and y axis titles, please. Then bold the values of the y axis. Sorry, of the x axis. Bold the values. Exchange your state with state abbreviation. The owner or the user might not know what state is what, right? So look, normally that can be fixed by a simple hover, like when they put their cursor over the bar, they should see the state. Like now they are seeing NY and they are seeing their revenue as 550. But this thing I see now is called a tooltip. A tooltip. Tooltip. That's on-screen guides that appear when you use your cursor to hover over some aspect of your chart. For example, in this case, we're hovering over the columns and we are seeing two features in our chart. That's the state abbreviation and the revenue. But now you can include a different thing that you want to see. Now that the state long form is no longer there, we can now say, okay, under tooltip, you put your state inside tooltip, and now see, if I hover over any bar, I'm going to see what is already in my chart, that is the state abbreviation and the revenue. But now I'm also going to see the state in full, Florida. And I can edit this thing from saying first state to just saying state, as we have done before. The scatter plots from the beginning, also the title. Make your title to show relationship between revenue, delivery days. So remove on your x and y axis, remove the titles. Make x and y axis bold too. X and y axis bold. Yep, we are good to go. So please enter all your charts. By default, your title, like font size is 14, make it 16. The first thing that we notice is that our, our chart is not, in our guide that we're trying to follow, the background is gray a bit. It's not like pure white. So don't click on any chart, click on your background, then go to the page settings. Background, click on your page, click on here, background, select this second white here, and reduce your transparency to 0. Now, is to add the card visualizations. So just come here and essentially call it revenue. But let me just do the sales first. Revenue, sales. I already added the 3 different columns together as this, and this. What the count? I need a sum. Maximum of 1. Maximum of 1. Making it in Naira. So I also have to transform that to Naira. The same thing with my revenue. So this will show Naira because they are both, currency values. So go back to my revenue and make it into, I think, so this will not change. And yeah, I think let us look back at our guide. Let's give stuff a title first of all. So we can just give it sales analysis dashboard as our title. It's not a problem. Up here, make the background, switch the background off. Then our guide is a bit, the stuff is a bit bold. It is bold. So I'm going to find the exact color. The exact color that this gold and gray are in the color scale. How do I do that? I'm going to go to Canva, upload, click on the color, background color. That's this section here. You see all the photo colors. For your current upload, and how do you then, so now for instance the color here is 413 B4B, so I can go up here and know that according to my screenshot that the background of the cards is supposed to be that gray color, right? So I'll click on it, go to my general, okay, visual color value. Where's that located again? General, is it effects? Okay, effects. Okay, yeah, colors, then 414B4B, right? So simply just do 414 and I actually have that color, right? So I'll just leave that one there. I'll change the rest, but I want to just grab the two different colors. This one is DBB24D. So I have the two colors. So I'm going to close it up. DBB24D. That should be the color of my bars, DBB24D. So